Well, we're doing it. We're running it for the first time in a very, very long time, a one-day boot camp for retail managers. We're excited about this. Our clients are excited about it. This is going to be an amazing event. We never run this at the public level. We only ever do this in-house for our clients. So you want to understand why this is going to be such an amazing day. Let me run you through quickly what we're going to talk about in this program. First, we're going to talk about the 5 foundations. For those of you who've worked with us before, this is worth the price of admission alone. I travel around the world talking about these 5 foundations that guaranteed get you better productivity out of everybody in your store, every team, and every program. You want to attend just for that. Next, Linda Montalbano is going to be there talking about her most popular program. How do you become an influential leader? No longer just thinking about your job as a manager. How do you become that leader? People love Linda. They love this topic. You're going to love to attend it. Is anything more important right now when we can't find staff than keeping our staff? Let's take a look in this course at proven strategies to hold on to your staff for longer. If you can't keep them, you'll never get on with being able to build your business, and we help you solve that problem. Maybe my least favorite topic to talk about, how do you actually get your standards run right? There's one way to run your store the right way. We're going to show you how to get all of those key standards complied with every single day in your store so you can run the store the right way. Next up in the program, how do you deal with performance problems? Probably the most challenging thing for every manager that stresses them right out is, so I got somebody that's showing up late, they're not in uniform, they're not hitting their numbers. How do I have those conversations? We'll unravel that mystery in the program and show you how to do it. We're going to show you strategies to be able to drive all of your metrics. You're going to walk out of this course with literally dozens of things that you can do to get better performance out of every single one of your metrics. And the thing that always makes everybody laugh, but we prove it every time, we're going to give you a 30-day average sale challenge. In the next 30 days, you're going to build a plan to drive up your average sale by at least 10%. Everybody always does it. When your average sale goes up by 10%, your total sales go up by 10%. We prove to people that that potential exists. That's the content. It's a lot to cover in a day. We're going to start early. We're going to work hard over the course of the day. If you register before the end of August, you're going to save yourself $150. You get into this course for just $395. We feed everybody hot food, a hot breakfast, hot lunches. It is an incredible value for your people, and this program is running one day only in Toronto, October 18th. So do yourselves a favor. This is a don't miss event. You want to get you and your teams there. I guarantee you it's going to be amazing.